What's up? What's up? This is Dad of Iron, and this video it's about how to use MetaMask with Ledger Nano S, that is a hardware wallet. Okay, so why this video? And this is my buddy Rio. Hello, say hello, Rio. So what is the video about? Maybe you are an artist, an NFT artist, and you want to show your works on OpenSea, a NFT marketplace. But the thing is, you are going to need MetaMask, that is a software wallet with OpenSea. But sometimes MetaMask security it has flaws, so it's a software wallet, and all software wallets they have issues. So it's a good idea to combine a software wallet like MetaMask with a hardware wallet like this one, that it's a Ledger wallet. Okay, so let's start. Let's push this smaller. Okay, so what happened to me? This is my this is Iron's account, all account. Iron is my daughter, that she's an NFT artist, that she's a girl, she's 8 years old. So what happened? We began this account, this original account, on December 2021, but we use only MetaMask as a software wallet. But we saw that you can have security problems with OpenSea and with MetaMask using only as a software wallet. Come on, Rio, come here. So now I created this, that is the current Iron's account on OpenSea, and it's newer. It's from February 2022. And as you can see, the numbers, these numbers, that is the Ethereum addresses of this account are different. Okay, so one important thing: if you're starting out, please do not create your OpenSea account using only MetaMask as a software wallet. Please use from the start a hardware wallet. Use MetaMask plus Ledger or MetaMask plus Trezor. Okay, because numbers are different, Ethereum addresses are different, and you are gonna have this problem. I renamed this account like burial account, and I don't use it anymore. That is, it was the account with the MetaMask only software wallet, and this is the new account, that is the MetaMask plus Ledger, the hardware wallet. Okay, so okay, I'm going to start it from the scratch. I'm going to do it on Firefox. So the first thing, you can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, whatever web browser you want. So first thing I'm going to do is installing MetaMask. Be careful with the URL and try to validate the URL. Okay, so it's metamask.io, and I'm going to click download. Okay, I'm going to do for start Firefox. Okay, I'm going to install the add-on for Firefox. Add to Firefox. Okay, and I'm going to add it. And as you can see, I can see this little icon, this orange fox here from MetaMask. And I'm going to click get started. Okay, so the first thing is wallets, blockchain or crypto wallets. Come on here, Rio. Wallets, the important thing of a wallet, being a software or a hardware wallet, is what is the secret key. Okay, the private key. Private key are difficult to remember, so normally we use a seed phrase, that is a lot of words. Okay, a lot of words, and with those words, secret phrases, you can build the private key, and you can access your wallet. Okay, so being the private key or being the seed phrase, the secret seed phrase, be careful. Write those down in a paper and do not share with anyone. Okay, do not share with people or in Twitter or Discord. Do not share with no one. Okay, it's a good idea to write in different papers the seed phrase and store it in different places around your house, or even better, in different houses. Okay, different places. So, which I'm new to MetaMask, yes. So I'm not going to import a secret recovery phrase. I'm going to create a new wallet. Okay, so I'm going to create a new wallet. I agree. I'm going to create a password. This is for testing, but this is a password for using this MetaMask extension in this web browser. Okay, so remember this password, because you are going to need to log and to use MetaMask in the future with this web browser that in this moment is Firefox, but you can use Chrome, Brave, whatever. Okay, so let's click create. I'm not gonna save it, and I'm going to click next. And here is the secret recovery phrase. With this phrase that is really important, you have to write it down in a paper, as I told you, and store it in different places. My badge is flying around here, okay, and it's pointing in my in my hand. So okay, I'm not going to reveal because this is a test account. I'm going to, but you should reveal it and write it down. Okay, I'm going to click remind me later, and now I have my my new MetaMask account, my new MetaMask wallet. But this is a software wallet. This is the number you have to save. But I don't want to use this. I don't want to use MetaMask as software wallet. I want to use MetaMask combined with a hardware wallet that is Ledger in my case. So I'm going to click here, and as you can see, it says connect hardware wallet. Okay, connect hardware wallet. I'm going to click connect hardware wallet, and I'm going to click Ledger. You can use Trezor or other ones. I have a Ledger. Okay, I'm going to click. Of course, you have to plug in with a cable or Bluetooth depending on your Trezor. Sorry, your Ledger. I'm going to use my cable, my USB cable. Come on, Rio, come here. Do not disturb. Come on. And it's plugging, and you need to put a pin. Okay, I've already written the pin that are some numbers on my Ledger. I'm going to click continue. And it says looking for your Ledger. And as you can see inside my Ledger, I have a lot of accounts. You can choose different ones. In this one, I have some small ETH, so I have used it, but I want a new one. So I'm going to click next, and I'm going to choose, for example, these are all Ethereum addresses that are stored inside my Ledger, my hardware wallet. So I'm going to click, for example, number 9, and I'm going to unlock. Okay, I'm going to unlock it. And as you can see, the number has changed. It says Ledger 9, and then the Ethereum address has changed. And now this is the Ethereum address I'm going to use, because I can only access this account if I have my MetaMask installed, if I have my password, and if I have my recovery phrase from MetaMask, and if I have my Ledger plugged in, my hardware wallet plugged in. So it's much more secure. Okay, so after you do this, you open the Ethereum application on Ledger, and you can go to OpenSea and create your profile with this Ethereum address. That's the important thing, because after that you will use your MetaMask software wallet combined with your Ledger hardware wallet for every transaction that you need to do on Ethereum or on Polygon or whichever blockchain. And as you know, you need to sign all the transaction if you use OpenSea, if you're an artist, for buying, for listing, for minting, whatever. So it's much more secure if you have 2 steps, because you are going to need to sign, number 1 on your MetaMask server wallet, number 2 on your hardware wallet, that is this Ledger that I have here. Okay, so I hope this video is useful. And have fun. Be careful with your NFTs, with your crypto, and I'm going to show you a bit. Rio, come here. Shh. He's a bit grumpy. Okay, I'm going to show you. For example, I'm here in Irons OpenSea. So for example, if I go to my OpenSea collection and I want to cancel that list, okay, I want to cancel, look, it's going to tell me, do you want to confirm your canceling? I click confirm, but now I have to sign. This is the point, okay? And I'm going to sign in 2 places. 1, software, that is MetaMask, and 2, hardware, that is the hardware wallet. That's the important thing, because if hackers try to reach you on your web browser, your MetaMask, if you don't have a hardware wallet, you can be attacked, okay? But if your hardware wallet is not plugging, and please only plug your hardware wallet when you are going to do these things, If your hardware wallet is not plugged, hackers cannot hack you, cannot attack you, because maybe they can sign or they can make you sign in the first step, in the software step, but you are not going to be able to sign the second step of your hardware wallet because it will not be plugged in. Okay, so I'm going to sign this, and as you can see, this is the signing of the MetaMask on software, step number 1, sign. And now I have to sign here. I don't know, I'm going to make this big. I don't know if you can see this. Now in my hardware wallet it says sign message here. Okay, so I have to sign here in my hardware hand. I have to sign. I'm going to click here and with 2 buttons sign. Okay, sign. I have already signed. Second step, and if I go to here, your listing was cancelled successfully. Okay, I have cancelled this, but I'm going to sell it again. Okay, because it's only for a test. So I'm going to sell it again. Hold on. It was at 0.02, I think. Expiration date like 6 months. Okay, complete listing, and again it's going to tell me to sign. This is the important thing. When you have to do important things on the blockchain, these signing transactions, if you use a hardware wallet, you are going to need to do first step, sign on MetaMask software wallet. Second step, step number 2, sign on your hardware wallet. That's the important thing. And if it's not plugged in, and you should not plug in unless you are going to do important stuff, it should be in your locker or stored in another room. Okay, please keep it safe. Hackers cannot hack you. Okay, cannot attack you. So I'm going to sign it again. Sign number 1, software wallet, MetaMask. Sign number 2, as you can see, it's waiting until I click here. Okay, I click sign. Okay, check. Look now, sign with 2 buttons, and now it's working. Okay, you've listed blah 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 blah. I'm going to check it. So as you can see, well, I listed first, I cancel, and I listed again, and this is important things and night work. Okay, so I hope this video is useful. Remember, before you start with your NFT journey, please, or your blockchain journey, buy a Ledger or a Trezor or any hardware wallet. Buy it from the original websites, please, because that way probably they will not be tampered, they will not be hacked. Don't buy it through third-party sellers. It's better to buy them from the original websites, and that way you are going to need 2 steps in order to sign transactions on the blockchain, on the Ethereum blockchain, Polygon blockchain, whatever, Solana blockchain, whatever. So it's more secure, and you are going to plug this hardware wallet only when you want to list, when you want to mint, when you want to buy some NFT, and you are going to disconnect it the rest of the days, okay, the rest of the time. So if hackers attack your MetaMask, yes, maybe they can attack your MetaMask, but they are not going to be able to sign and to steal your NFTs, to steal your money, because they cannot access your hardware wallet, they cannot sign, they cannot click these buttons. Okay, so thank you very much, stay safe, and see you next video.